Hey everyone, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces here. I'm standing in front of my mudroom that this is the third time it's gotten a makeover. I know you say, what's going on? But Prodigal Pieces, we have much going on all the time, and we are DIYers that love to share with you. And the stipulation with us is we only usually get maybe one day on the weekend and maybe some evening time during the week because we have other jobs. We have our business, I have a blog, my husband works his job, so third time around means sometimes you just get it done to get it done. Second time we did some updates, weren't ready for the rest, and finally we think we have it where we want it and we're good to go, right? That's famous last words. But we started a few years ago when we moved in and did some updating that really at the time we had no idea we'd be here this long, so it was kind of just, fix it and get it done, and then we moved on to other parts of the house. So we're just going to take you a little tour, show you some pictures of what it looked like from the initial, then the next step, and how we handle it today, and then I'll take you on a mini tour. Everybody needs to have a mudroom in their house. We have 6 children and wouldn't be able to do without it, especially because we're in about a 1,600 square foot home, so this is an essential. So have fun, take a peek at what we've been doing. Okay, so we began with the floor, and if you saw the before, we had a storage issue. Those plastic shelves worked well when our children were small and I could put 2 little pairs of shoes toe to heel. Then they exploded, they grew up, and we have big feet and 6 pairs of big feet, including mom and dad's, that's 8. So we needed to do something about our shoe storage, and we decided to just build something that would run the whole length of the wall, and then also provide us with just somewhere to sit down. We might still hang our coats in front of there, we haven't decided, but we wanted that option to be able to sit down, kick our boots off if we wanted, because we're in 4-season weather here, so we have gear for every season. That means shoes, play shoes, dress shoes, gear for sports, just you name it, we have it in here. So we definitely needed that extra space and can't say enough good about that. It was easy to do. We just cut some 1x4s and used sort of a French cleat effect around the edge there to hold it and support it. 2x4 uprights to give the space that we need and extra support, and reinforce the area where it's going to be the seating area, and added some hooks. But really, with the extra flooring we had from our family room that we're almost finished with, going to show you that as well, we were able to finish the floor in here and add that extra storage. I even eliminated the clutter that was up on the top there with boxes. It was just one of those things that drove me crazy to even get out and mess with. It just got to be a headache. And then in the far game closet there, added those wire baskets I found at the thrift store. Mind you, I share all of this over on the blog, prodigalpieces.com. Share all the details with how we created this look, and really couldn't be happier with how it came out. Feel free to ask questions. I mean, really, you can't beat the budget. I mean, I'm trying to think, it might have been, we had to buy an extra flooring, but maybe around $75 to $100 just to complete this all. So it was well worth it, and we have our space back. So it's time for us to fill it back up, and I will show you how it's reality check going to look like. I'm not one of those people that likes to just for show. I want to show you what we really have and what we're able to store and how it all looks all put together. So hang on just a minute. So now our mudroom is full to the brim, but not overflowing stuffed chock full like it was before. When we put things back, we really made a point to go through things that we maybe weren't wearing anymore, could hand down to somebody else. We do tend to store our winter gear, like our snow pants and snow boots, down in the basement, and only need to pull those up as the season comes, but that affords us a little more space. But really, we couldn't be happier with the outcome, especially considering it was budget friendly. We could do it ourselves, and much more easier to use and to access, especially the shoes. Now the shoes are like this big and they can go heel to toe again, and they have 3 tiers of storage, and we even have extra space. So really can't say enough good about it. Head to the blog, prodigalpieces.com, where I do a giveaway for the HomeRite Super Finish Max Extra Sprayer. You don't want to miss out on that. Super handy tool that helped me get this done quick. And sign up for my newsletter so that you can get this information right in your inbox. It's free, and I also give you a freebie and a discount to my shop. Also, subscribe. I'd love to have you follow me along here on YouTube, and also just leave me a comment. I'd love to know that you're there, that you enjoyed this, maybe learned something, or maybe have a question. So until next time, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces. Bye!